Assalamu alaikum. Today I'm here with the Samsung Galaxy A21s and I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. To get started, we first need to power off the device. I'm doing this from the lock screen so you can see that it removes the lock as well. As you may notice, if you try to power off the phone while it's locked, it will ask you to use your fingerprint or enter a PIN. So, we need to forcibly shut it down. Press and hold the power button and volume down button together. Keep holding them until the device turns off. As soon as it powers off, quickly switch from volume down to volume up while still holding the power button. When you see the Galaxy logo, you can let go of the buttons. Now you'll enter recovery mode. Using the volume keys, select Wipe Data/Factory Reset and confirm it using the power button. Then select Factory Data Reset and press the power button again to confirm. Once the process is complete, you should see Data Wipe Complete at the bottom of the screen. Reboot System Now will be selected by default, so press the power button once more to confirm. The device will now reboot in the background. This process usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes. Once it's finished, you'll be greeted with the Android setup screen. As you can see, the process is now complete, and you can set up your device however you like. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.
आई होप कि आपको ये वीडियो बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगी होगी। अगर वीडियो अच्छी लगी, वीडियो को लाइक करो, चैनल को फटाक से सब्सक्राइब करो, बेल आइकन पर प्रेस करो और कमेंट करके लाजमी बताइएगा वीडियो कैसी लगी। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक ले दीजिए इजाज़त।